What is up guys, Photo Fever here and welcome back to another Tuesday 2-minute tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create this transparent glass effect that you can apply to logos, text or pretty much anything within Photoshop. And I'm going to start right now. Right guys, so the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up a new document. And as you can see, I've opened up just a blank document here. First thing you want to do is choose a background color. So we'll go down to our adjustment layers icon found in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to go ahead and select solid color. And I'm just going to go ahead and select a kind of just blue. Then you want to apply either your text or your logo. In this particular case, I'm going to be using a text. So I'm going to go to my text tool over here. I'm going to go ahead and just click. And I'm going to go ahead and just simply type in glass. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to black. So I'm going to select it, go up to my color changer here, and I'm going to go ahead and select black. Then I'm just going to press Command T to free transform it. And I'm just simply going to move it into the middle and just make it slightly larger. So once we've done that, we now need to go to our layer stylizing box. The way to do that, just go to your text or logo layer and just double click. And that will bring up our layer stylizing here. Once we've done that, we want to go to our first checkbox, which is bevel and emboss. We want to start off with an inner bevel. We want to choose our technique is smooth and we want our depth to be 80%. Now I'd recommend choosing up of the direction, but you can choose down also. Then you've got your size, you want 10 pixels and your soften to be 2 pixels. Then you want to go to the angle and you want to choose 135 degrees with an attitude of 40 degrees. Then with your glass contouring effect, we want to go and then click up here. You could go ahead and you want to select this one on this document here. Once you've done that, you want to go to your highlighting mode, making sure you've got screen as your blending mode, and you want to choose 70% on there. And in your shadow mode, you want to make sure we've chosen multiply with our opacity of 15%. Once you've done that, just go over to your contouring, and then you want to go ahead and select the same contouring effect. So it's this kind of wobbly line. We want to make sure our range is at 80%. And the last thing you want to do is you just want to go to inner glow. You want to go ahead and make sure we've got overlay selected with an opacity of just 40%. We also want to make sure, again, because this is black, we want to make sure black is our foreground color. So we'll go ahead and select it like so. We want our choke to be 15 and our size to be 15. Again, guys, we want to make sure that every time we select this, we want to make sure it's all the same. So again, we're going to go ahead and select this as our contouring. And then we want to make sure the range of this is just 50%. And then we'll go ahead and click OK. But as you can see, it's still black. So the way to make it transparent is easy. Just go to your fill, not your opacity. Go to your fill layer here and just turn that down to 0. And as you can see, it now looks like glass. And what's great about this effect is it doesn't matter what color you place behind it, it will always be transparent. And as you can see, if I go ahead and change it to, let's say, an orange, you can still see the glass through. And it makes it look really cool. And you can apply this to text. You can also apply it to logos or pretty much anything of your choice. So go give it a go and see how it turns out. Here is the before and here is the after.